Welcome guys. Let's do Polygon Matic technical analysis and let me please tell you what are the next price target. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Pmex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to this video's comment section where you can get these links. You can get $1,200 bonus of Pmex exchange if you register with my link. You can get $700 bonus of Binance exchange if you register with my link, and you can also get $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange, which is absolutely free if you register with my links. You can get $3,500 bonuses, but for this you have to deposit minimum 1 BTC. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets. Here you can see this is Matic 1 hour chart, and Matic successfully break this descending wedge towards upside, and it is like a bullish. It is looking bullish right now. According to the pattern, targets can be like this. If I calculate this and if I measure this and if I have to put this on at that point, $1.11 will be the target, or the starting point of this descending wedge. $1.12 is the minimum target for the Matic right now. But for this we have to wait. I think Matic can hit these targets once volume comes. Let me please show you the volume. There is a good volume in 1 hour Matic chart, and that is a very good sign. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please join me on Telegram and Twitter, and please like this video and share this video with all of your friends. This is a bullish signal. Volume is good. Here you can see there is a strong volume towers. We need that kind of the volume towers, but this volume towers is looking bullish, and I think more volume will come, and definitely Matic will hit my targets. This is not a financial or investment advice. This is just my technical knowledge. This is not a trading signal. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. And I think this is the target, minimum target of Matic can hit this target, and this is the minimum target. I think $1.12 is very near. But for this, Matic have to break these zones, these resistance levels. Let me please show you. This is 1.07 is a resistance level, and not as strong, but it is. And after that, this is the resistance level, $1.10. These are the resistance levels Matic have to break. Once Matic break these levels, in that case, our next target is $1.12. And after that, let me please zoom this. And after once Matic break this $1.12 area, $1.13 area, in that case, next target will be like this. These are the next targets, $1.17. These are next resistance zone for the Matic. And after that, there will be another strong zone, resistance zone, $1.25 for the Matic. These all resistance zones are of 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart of Matic, you have to note down these levels. Let me please show you my next chart. This is 4 hourly chart, and let me please zoom this first. Here you can see this downtrend is a strong support zone for the Matic. Here you can see several touches for the Matic right now. Here you can see, and it is perfectly acting like a support zone, a strong support for the Matic right now. Matic have to hold this area. Matic should have to hold this area, $1.03, and if in any case Matic price break this 1.03 to $1 area. In that case, price can move like this. Let me please remove this. And next support zone for the Matic in 4-hour chart is that zone. If unfortunately Matic break $1 price area, in that case next zone is $0.94 is the next zone. But I think Matic have to move towards upside, and I think Matic can hit this target. This is the next resistance area. Matic is at $1.04 and Matic can easily hit $1.12. Here you can see in previous Matic price actions, Matic rejected several times from that zone. Here you can see. I think at this time Matic have to break this horizontal resistance and have to move towards upside. I think so. Once Matic break $1.12, in that case our next zone is $1.21, $1.20 area. And here you can see also several touches and rejections from that zone too. And that is why I think $1.12 is very, very important. Once Matic break this area, in that case $1.13, $1.21 and $1.41 are the targets for the Matic. I think so. These are the targets, and I think here you can see, if I zoom this, Matic after hitting several time of this strong support zone, Matic is now Matic price is going up. Here you can see. Once Matic price hit this, in that case I think it have to break this if strong volume comes. Otherwise it can move sideways. And once Matic, if unfortunately Matic break this downtrend line and support area, in that case next Matic support zone is at $0.95. And let me please show you Matic daily chart. This is Matic daily chart, and let me please show you. Here you can see Matic break this descending wedge towards upside, and now it is in uptrend, and here you can see Matic is facing resistance to break this area. This area is very, very important. Matic have to break this area, $1.12. Once Matic break this area, once Matic price break this area, in that case Matic price can easily hit next targets. In daily chart, let me please show you. The target is $1.66, the beginning of this descending wedge. This is the target. $1.66 to $1.70 is the target for the Matic. Once Matic break this area, here you can see, after that 1.38 is a small resistance for the Matic price, and after that here you can see a small resistance, $1.40 to $1.45 area. Once Matic break this, in that case it can hit $1.65, $1.67 very, very soon. And according to the pattern, this is the target, $1.66 for the Matic. These are the targets. Please note down these targets. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And let me please show you one thing that is missing. Let me please show you. If I zoom this and if I show you some Fibonacci retracement levels, let me please show you. If I put it from down to top to down, here you can see Matic can easily hit. Matic is now at that point, and it is like golden pocket of this fib retracement, and I think Matic can hit this target, $1.18 very, very soon in 1 hour chart. This is 1 hour chart, and in 4 hour chart. Let me please show you. Let me please do this. In 4 hour chart, Matic can hit like this. Let me please zoom this. If I sorry for that. In 4 hour chart, here you can see. Sorry for that. Matic is in this area. $1.04. Next price area is $1.16, and after that 1.29 is the next Fibonacci level, the golden pocket, $1.29. I think Matic can hit $1.29 very soon, and I think Matic can hit this target, and we have to be very careful. And I think Matic can Matic is going to hit this target, $1.16, $1.29, and maybe $1.37 very soon. This is my technical analysis, friend. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends, and join me on Twitter and Telegram too. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges and Pmex exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and get 1200 Pmex bonus, 1600 Bybit bonus, and $700 Binance bonus. But for this you have to deposit minimum 1 BTC. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.